If you've been anywhere online in the last couple of years, you definitely would have heard things like side hustles. What's the best side hustle for 2023? What's the best side hustle for stay-at-home moms? How to make money online. I'm going to share all the things that I've tried over the last 2 or 3 years. And the one thing that I have found that has made the biggest difference and is the easiest way to make money online long term. That doesn't mean it's the easiest one out of all of them to do. It means it's the most effective one and the one that's going to make you the most and it's going to last. All the other ones that I have tried, I'm going to share all the details about those side hustles, about all those little ways to make money online that I have seen and I have tried and somewhat failed or somewhat succeeded at. And I'm going to share all the details with you. So like and follow. And if you want to check out the YouTube channel, that's going to be linked in my bio as well. There's going to be some longer, in-depth, way more detailed videos over there about all of these things, the processes I went through in each one, and just how effective, how hard or easy they were, and whether they benefited me in the end or not. I want to share all that with you because I have finally found the one thing that does make money online that is the easiest way to make money long term. Like I said, it's going to be the most successful if you're willing to put in the time and the effort. It is not a get rich quick scheme. It is not anything like that, but it is definitely something that is very effective if you're going to be willing to put in the time and the effort.